guys, what's going? It's Justin here, and I'm gonna be doing a review. I ordered a package of Funko Pop. So, if you guys don't know what Funko Pop is, it's like these little miniature action figures that look so cute, and like I collect them now. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you the one I got. I didn't look through it yet. I just opened it. See, I didn't do anything. So, yeah, it's a better angle. So yeah, let's open this. So, as you can see, it has my name on it. Right there. Yeah. So let's scooch you guys back a little. I think that's good. So, package. We shall open. Got bubble wrap. So, it looks beautiful. So this is what Funko Pop is, basically. As you don't know, if you guys watch How to Train Your Dragon 2, comment below if you did. So, yeah. I never saw the movie yet. I'm dying to see it. So, this is Barf and Belch, the dragons. So, they're number 99 Pop movies. How to Train Your Dragon 2, of course. And then here's the series. So we have got we have got Stormfly. I don't really watch How to Train Your Dragon, but I'm dying to see number 2. So Astrid, Hiccup, Toothless, and Barf and Belch, which I have, and Hook Fang. So yeah. They didn't add any of the, they didn't add the big one yet. I think they might add it. So yeah. So this is the box. Got a picture. They look beautiful. They're just staring at the plastic. So yeah, has their name on it. There's nothing really much on the bottom. Yeah, so another picture of them. So let's open this bad boy. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm in my living room, so it's too sunny. So, ow. Okay, so let's open this. Just normal packaging. Nothing good. So yeah, it's right. Packaging. So, right here, I guess. So, yeah, that's okay. Plastic. I'm gonna make a mold out of this. Looks pretty sick. So this is Barf and Belch. Pretty awesome. There we go. Pretty awesome. So the paint job is good. Like the paint job. So yeah. Sides look pretty good, except this mark right here, which I don't really like, but you know, you gotta like what you gotta like. You gotta like what you bought. What I really like about the head is the teeth. So like the teeth and the horns with that yellow horn in the front. These horns. So on the back what you all have been waiting for. Dun dun dun. The wings. So the wings are right here. Just basic green wings. And then on the back they have more spikes with some designs. Some designs on the body. Some more spikes. See, more spikes on the necks. And then it's a double tail. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Got the design on the body too. You guys can see that. Yeah. That's all much to show you guys. Hope you like this video. Subscribe, please. Please. Subscribe. Subscribe, please. So, if you want to see more Funko Pop videos, which I don't know when I'm going to do them, but if you want to see more, get me to 100 likes, and I will give you more Funko Pop videos. So yeah, say goodbye. Goodbye. And done. Guy.